stand for the prayer? In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who offend us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good morning, Mr. Teacher.
Morning. You will now take your seat. God.
Thank you, sir.
Imagine a world without communication. Is it really possible?
No.
Ay,
How
nakakatuwa yung
important-
place.
Yes, what? No. How important is communication in terms of education?
To transfer and
So let's
receive
find
knowledge.
I'm Peter Giandola, and I'm going to discuss the social literacy. If you hear the word social literacy, what comes into your mind?
Skills,
So let's break it down.
Break it down here.
From the word social,
socializing,
socializing, another,
communicate,
groups, another, environments, friends. How about literacy?
the
Skills.
skills, abilities.
Abilities. Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
So before that, let's have first the learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson or module, learners will be able to first define social literacy and explain its importance involving positive relationships. Second, demonstrate effective communication skills, including active listening and clear expression of ideas. Third is exhibit self-awareness by reflecting on personal thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in social interactions. And lastly, value respect, trust, and responsibility as foundation for strong social connection. So here is the overall meaning of social literacy. It is a development of social skills, knowledge, and values to act positively and responsibly in various social settings. It is acquired through inquiry, values, exploration, and social decision making. It is seen in the interaction between teachers, parents, and even to the classmates or your tapad. Na ay makita nga interaction. But dili siya kasabot nga social literacy sila, pero social sila, socialize with other people. If you say social literacy, it is an ability to socialize with other people, not just kanang casual chika. It involves kanang importance ang ilang gipang storyaan. Okay?
Yes.
Yes,
It's
contain.
important for the chica.
Char, ano yung mga chika? Gawa na. Next is social skills. Aspects of social literacy involving communication, good manners, respect for others, and expressing needs. If you are a social literate, you must possess these social skills. Why? Thank you. If you are a social literate, you need to possess these social skills. Why? Why do we need to possess social skills
For,
before becoming a social literate?
To have
Be able to
a
act.
better
Yes.
communication.
Yes, better communication. How about the others?
Properly convey the message.
Wow, very good.
Yeah.
Char.
Ako to be able to.
To be able to start. So here are the importance in schools. In terms of social skills, build and maintain relationship. Of course, we can build a good relationship with each other, not just with your loved ones, but also with your classmates, peers, and even to your teachers or colleagues. Support collaboration and teamwork. During the social interaction, it involves ganang two parties in which they will socialize with each other in order to perform well. And their teamwork will gonna work.
Ready to
Ah.
work out. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Next is provide mutual help in difficult situation. Of course, if you have karamay, naadto tayo makatabang na to in terms of difficulties. For example, during exam, kinsa may kasagaran ka ng mutabang ninyo, di ba inyong mga kilid? Ay, hindi man na nakasocialize.
Ang kagalingan sa candidates.
Depende na po na sabot yung dapat, no? Mag-master ka po na. Next is expand networks and opportunities. As a social literate, you are kanang well-known in terms of public speaking. Kasagaran, ma-involved siya sa mga like public kanang natula. Kasi natula. Pom. Di ba? Kasagaran na ipangpadana na kay mga social literate kanang nindot ito mo public speaking, the way they pronounce, the way they pronounce,
Oh, really?
the way they do. Go! Next is create a healthy and conducive learning environment. Of course, from the word conducive learning environment, din hapsay ang atong pangpamuyo. Conducive is what do you mean by conducive, Nico? Conducive.
Hanoy.
Hanay in English.
Organize.
Yes, organize. It could be.
It could be.
Here are the types of social skills. First is effective communication, sharing ideas effectively in conversation or discussions. Of course, if you have these social skills, you are kanang possible na effective in yung communication. Dili kay lagpas bitaw because mo pa pag-ingon na, ha? Oh, tanga na. If you have this kanang abilities to socialize with each other, tendency the effect inyong communication is very effective, di ba ma'am? Yes. Next is conflict resolution, solving problems fairly by weighing both sides. If we are to become a teacher, of course, naadyo ta permis sa tunga. Dili ta pwede mo dasig ta ni Jang kay anak siya ni Mayor. Dili, dapat nata sa tunga atong i-weigh o kinsa nila ang sakto o kinsa dili sakto.
Oh,
Pero
yes.
sakto silang duha, sa diira sila. Go! Active listening, paying close attention during consultation or counseling. Of course, maminaw jud ta tarong. Dili kay palagbas ra pikas kung gano. Mo na if you possess the social skills, kanang imong kanang listening skills is one pod kanang very broad sa karon. Next, empathy. Understanding others' feelings, relationship management, maintaining and strengthening connections. Angel, what is empathy to you?
For me, empathy is putting your shoes in the
Yes, very good. Let's give a round of applause. How about sympathy? Who can give me an example or any kanang description about sympathy? Faisa, sympathy? No?
Feeling pity to
Mo
someone.
magudlo.
Yes, something like that.
Yeah.
So different na sila duha, sympathy and empathy. Ang same na nila ipatira. Next is the respect. You should value respect with each other. Dili lang kay respect lang kaniya kay dakong tai siya like teachers kanang mga
Dako di tayo
principals.
pictures
Dili na to kanang ikuan ang respect. Pero naamang tunay kasabihan nga
respect is earned.
yung respect is always earned. It's always earned. Oh, Char! Let's go! Problem solving skills! Seeking help, making good decisions, finding solution. If you possess the social skills, yes? Okay. Problem. Next is interpersonal skills. Sharing, joining activities, asking permission, waiting for one's turn. Third, lahi ang interpersonal o intrapersonal. If you say interpersonal within yourself, you kanang according to my kanang experience as a YFC, your interpersonal skills will be kanang enhanced because you will share your kanang experience. Uwaw siya, pero nindot siya nga feelings. Muna, ipil lang mo YFC. These are the possible ways to improve our social skills. Maintain eye contact, use proper body language. Maintain eye contact. Mauni chance ninyo nga magka-eye to eye mo sa inyong crush, sa inyong classmates. Bisag wag spark, basta importante eye to eye mo. Kaya lain man magpaminawon if we casually talking ga magsulat-ulat bitaw, di ba lain man magpaminawon. Abi pa lang ako yung well respect dapat as din mo nga. Saka yung mata. And use proper body language while talking. Dili kay dai ako dili dai makatulog to one day di. Bato ba ngay jud mo. Next, be assertive, not aggressive. If we say assertive, it is expressing your thoughts, needs, or feelings clearly and respectful without hurting others. Different ang assertive o ang aggressive. While aggressive is expressing your thought or feelings in a forceful way, in a disrespectful manner. Oh, like that. So that is an aggressive example. If you say assertive, kayo na akong bumaton. Kapila pa na yuta ang akong daganon. Diba? Like that. Next is be flexible. Accept criticism positively. Sometimes in our life, if we receive and criticism, we cannot tend to yes. Lain ang pagsabot, misunderstand nila. But if you have possess the social skills, accept that criticism in a positive manner. Like, for example, ingnan ka nga, di makakamauan ni Day. May ang imo i-responsa na, di ba mo Day? Maglisod ko ani.
Depende magudad din sa
Maglisod ko ani.
kung ang yan ang criticism ay positive or negative. What if,
Constructive criticism or...
Ay, ganun nga, batik kag now, mana. Kung hindi Day, hindi magkabaw ko Day, batik kag now.
Oo na, pahinangin mo doon na tayo.
Anak mo Day, I'm hard. Ano ba? Accept mo ang criticism, dali kay imo bitaw. Marunong i-doubt imo mong self, kay i-doubt imo self. Instead of kanang accepting the criticism, imo i-doubt. Okay? Stay positive and be teachable. From the word be teachable, of course, dili lang kay mura tag instructor kaling-kalingaw anino. Even if we are to become a teacher, we need to kanang understand also or kanang get the ideas of our children, no, students or learners. Kay dili man sa tanang panahon nga sakto pud ta kalingaw. Sometimes we can still relate to the experiences of the students. Dili lang kay more on teacher-centered kay the way we discuss nowadays is learner-centered naman sa ta. Next is the impact of social skills or the effects of having these social skills. First is better relationship. Michelle, for you, do you have a better relationship with your classmates or your peers?
Yes!
Why?
Because they're happy with me.
Yes, they're happy. Clap your hands. Next is better communication. Better communication because kanang dili na ka mauwa magkipag-istorya kay close naman mo, di ba?
What if awkward kay mataho?
Mata, naay ni paghanga or naay ni something nga mo spark sa ilang kilid.
Dili, kanang
Nataha ka.
Dili. Nang bay ko lang nabantayan talaga ko ba ang kasagaran sa one kay parang ito chat ko ang dito mo.
Nga na, ang chat, mauwaw. Wala siya, low of social skills.
Kanang ano din, kanang sakay kay dinala ko mo supak kay.
Then para away.
Oo.
Matakol na to siya sa emotional intelligence.
Okay.
Greater efficiency, of course. Advanced career perspective. Kay mo lagi ito na involves mo sa public speaking. Pwede ka mahimong governor sa inyong lalawigan. Increase overall happiness. Why? Because if you're happy and you know, just clap your hands. Increase din ang happiness. Kaya na naman kasasaktuhan ka. And next is emotional intelligence or EQ. Why do we need to discuss about emotional intelligence? Nga ang atuang gi-focus is social literacy man or social skills.
Socialize others, you need to have a high emotional intelligence.
Yes, ikaw.
Because we're dealing from different people and different people have different emotions and it depends on their mood. So
Yes. Because in communication, it always involves emotions. Especially when talking to your friends, di ba? Naman tayo mabati nga emotions, kakulba. Kaya of course, kuan man kanang makita na nato si crush. And also if we are facing our professor, unsa may inyong mabatian na? Depende sa tao, di ba? Ate mga emotion nga valid man na siya. According to ano siya? Goldman 1996 kung baan recognize, understand, and manage own emotion, recognize, understand, and influence others' emotion. Dili lang siya mo manage sa imong kaugalingong emotion, but also to influence other feelings or emotions. The importance is to help manage behavior, relationship, deadlines, stress, setbacks, and change. Anang nanasa binit ng deadlines. Ang ilahang kuha na ng positive thinking, yung okay na basta kayo pasa. Taas na siya emotional intelligence. Wala na niya take look ka na as negative part ng deadline.
See the brighter side.
Yes, very good. If you have this, possess this emotional intelligence, of course, you need to adjust man sa other people's side and in terms of the current situation. These are the strategies for enhancing our EQ. First, think about feelings. Be sensitive and proper responses. Think about feelings. Inyo nga jong kanang hinutukan before mo siya mo kanang mo sa istorya ninyo sa uban may pause. Inyong iba imong isod sa inyong utok before ka mo ingon o unsay nabati niya. Dili kay direct dito kami nga malami man na siya kay ano na kasi mo na siya. Oh, slow issue. Think about the feelings of others. Kay why ba we bisag padung na siya kung babit diha, imo jud na siyang punitan. Next is pause, stop and think before reacting. What is going on, especially in anger? Mo sa kasi anger mode. No? Basta once nga galit man tayo, wala tayo. Kanang we cannot control the way how we speak. Very good. That's why we need to pause first before reacting.
Kailangan din mga tao din na ay anger issues.
Wala, pwede lang, talikod lang. Tubang, mana. Next is strive to control thoughts. Focus on positive goals instead of negative reactions. Benefit from criticism, accept feedback with humility for self-improvement. Nanagay po si benefit from criticism, di ba sa social skills kay ang criticism is i-accept na to as a positive way. Dito sa high or to enhance our EQ, we need ang ilang thinking sa criticism is makabenefit sila. Next is to show authenticity, be true to values, communicate with sincerity and respect. Empathy. Nanapod si empathy. Musod din ko si empathy in this aspect. Understand others' feelings to build stronger connection. Next is praise others. Acknowledge efforts to boost trust and self-worth. Of course, mo ato pa sang i-praise po natong mga classmates. Bisag small achievements sila na ilang kuan atong mga loved ones, ato i-boost nila. Ngano, parang enhance po ang ilang kuan, ilang thinking. Maningkamot sila. Mag-boost siya, go. Next, magpa-booster. Yes. Helpful feedback. Accept criticism, nanapot si criticism as a tool for improvement. Dili as negatively ang pag-accept. Next is to apologize. Show humility by admitting mistakes to value relationship. Of course, if you kanang makasala ka sa atong mga classmates, sa atong mga kanang neighbor, atong mga teacher, mo maayo jud tagpasaylong kay mo manilisod nga pamalisod nga isulti man siguro no para na mo lisod jud mga yo kanang
Sorry, that's...
mga yo sorry
Or
kay
ipapil na yung mga dinitay na ang dudugan mga lahi of perspectives. Yun yung sakto bitaw.
dati na namatakwan bitaw sa
Pero
situation.
once nila makita nga mali sa ilang
Wala dili sila mo. If you have kanang high EQ, ikaw na lang sabot ana
ka makaubos.
mo
Pero dapat
paubos.
mag-meet po mo hapoy.
Asa man? Next is to forgive and forget. Let go of the grudges to move forward peacefully.
Yes,
Dili kay
What if mo forgive mo ta pero di mo forget?
Forgive.
you can forgive but not necessarily nga ma-forget yun mo. Pero in the long run, in the long time nga magdagan ang oras, makalimtan naman sa mo sila. Di ba?
Ay, mabili ka na ba yung lesson?
Lesson that you learn from the mistakes that you have done. Yeah. Next is, i-highlight ito ha, keep commitments. Keep commitments. Be reliable and trustworthy by honoring promises.
Bitaw.
Mo na, basta mga promise, gani ato yung tumanon, dili kay. Not all promises ko na, oy.
Depende po.
Dili ka nang dali, oy.
Kumaota mo ko.
If you have a high emotional intelligence, kana in terms of commitment, dapat committed sa ka, dili kay sa bakba ra. Yes, like orb.
Sorry.
Basta yung ma-promote na nato. Sobra na po. Bye-bye, bayad. Help others. Support and assist to build trust and cooperation. Of course, kung tinabangay ta, like them, o kung tinabangay sila.
Wow.
Next is to protect from emotional sabotage. Guard against manipulation while staying respectful. So these are the recommended tools in enhancing emotional intelligence. Based from the PFC, yung mo may kanang nakuanan eh, kanang mga games or kanang mga
mga activities.
ano ba mga activities sa inyo ha? Na ano?
Sa una mga color
Pero manakuan mo ganda na. First is emotional literacy workshop. Second is emotional literacy museum. Papapasuway ni museum mga emotional mo kung sino dito no. Mixed emotions cards. Di ka na ba tawag korupsyon mo sa usa ka museum? Diyan na ka ng counseling, may tabo.
Oo, manoy kami pamilya niya. Ano yung isa?
Dahil guidance mo ito may
Di ka balikan ang ikubot. Gusto ka lang man.
Next is mixed emotion cards. It is a beautiful deck of tarot cards. Muna nagkapita ko na siya sa Facebook na ito. Kanang ganito yung mga cards, dyan yung mga emotion that you identify kung sino nabati ni mo. Next is emotion cards. It evocated playful moon face illustration of emotions, often ended without labels. Biodots. It is a simple reminder that emotions are part of our physiology. Next is bingo emotion. Kani, nakakita mo ba ni? It is typically a classic bingo game played with emotion. Nakita naman. Kanang bingo emotions. Kanang kapatay mo ba bingo kay lima na lima. Lalo na yung mga emotion ana. If may mo na sala na emotion nga na matungnan anyong pagminsan. After na okay say madaog na self-reflection matapos. Next is filling faces. These are photos of real people and data on how service responded following each picture. Tagaan mo picture tapos you will visualize o kung sa inyong nakitaan sa based on the picture.
Nakaduwa big na.
Kada nga na before. Nabi tayo picture. Na picture tapos inyong i-visualize kung sa nasa picture based on the emotion given in the picture. Yes. Next is 6 seconds emotion intelligence assessment. It provides feedback about the way one uses EQ and how to improve in this area. Next is the Zoo Animal Workshop. It is an activity that intends to imitate an animal behavior and gestures that ends with reflection and group sharing. Next is face workshop. It is an activity in which partners face each other while showing different facial expression and qualities that ends over reflection. Siguro, nang talikod mana, the one to kung mga kabangay, magdungan. Based sa inyong reaction sa inyong na reflection may tabo. Tapos sakit, unsa man ang tabong mana, yun. Gana.
Sabade?
Next is the machine transformer. Participants in group have to transform into a signed machine or vehicle, which each member shall compromise. Murag lang ka ng dalawang Pilipinas, lang mapurma masyadong basta kung mapurma mo ba, kung saan yung doon ka, purma. But think of a picture, like something like that. Yung emotion, why hindi shadow? Pero kung siya, next is tower building. Groups will be tasked to build a tower using popsicle sticks and straws. The goal is to make the tallest and strongest tower of all. This will end up interaction sharing. Kana bitaw tower building bitaw kanang patas anay. Unsa na ay mga kanang facilitator bitaw nga murag ilang gubon, ilang protektahan. Something like that. Mo na tower building. Next, tower building. Mo to tower building that. Building a house. The participants in groups will be tasked to build a house using any available materials around them. The goal is to make the strongest house. Then the facilitator, mura gyapon the facilitator is mura gupon bitaw nila. Okay. And it ends up with a realization. Muna ngayon ka. Wala gyud ay klaro ang facilitator. Why are you? Something like that. Kaya naman dyan ay reflection after all the activities that we have done 2 hours, especially ganang sa mga facilitators, nandun ay mga reflection sa afterwards. Internalization activity, a reflective activity done in a quiet, dim room with a music and candlelight. Kaning internalization activity, somehow somewhat nga pareha dito kang Ma'am Casey, pero yung mo lang ito yung dim light nga. May candle, na ay music, na nakay sa tuwa kay kuan man to face to face no.
Ano na din kasagaran na kay mga hanapin ang ritual. Like hindi isa.
Something like that. No. Ano bitaw more counseling siya may tabo pero ang kuan is very dim ang ihang kuan.
Nalay gamay ang light.
Naay ang light kay candle and then ay may background music. Something like that. One internalization activity. Next is mirroring and unmasking activity. Participants write each other negative traits sa ilang likod. Butangan og tatat nila kung say makita dito nimo langasan, butan mo langasan. And then imong tagnaon kung say nasa imong likod. Based sa imong kuan, imong interaction, the way tanang mo. Like that. So here are the characteristics of here are the characteristics of an emotional intelligence. First is empathy. Dili nyo na mawa sa empathy. Ability to feel and understand other feelings. O sa empathy, naako siya ka ng duha ka classification or 2 subtopics, which is the affective empathy and the cognitive empathy. If we say affective, it is something that deals with our attitude. It feelings what other feels. So attitude na to na. And cognitive empathy is understand one's emotion, the way we think without ang emotions nga na-feel sa uban. That's cognitive. Next is self-awareness. Recognizing and understanding one's own emotions and how to manage them. You have to possess the self-awareness. Kaya dili mo sa tanang panang nasakto jud ka. Even we think that we are in a right way, a right pathway or right are not wrong. we have to be aware to ourselves. Yes. We need to manage ourselves. Dili kayo magpaglahi ko. Next is curiosity, willingness to learn, explore, and improve. Of course, if you have this kanang emotional intelligent nga pagkatao, curious dito kalingaw, dili kay sige na bitaw stagnant ang imuhang pagkuan kibaon na mo kana dili na kinahanglan magtunan na. Oh, di ba? Pamilyar na. Kung kinahanglan to kay may agi na managi. If you have kanang emotional intelligence, mag-seek gyapon ka sa information. Dili lang kayo mag-stagnant rata na ba no? Next, analytical mind. thinking critically and processing information to find ways to improve. Next. So next is belief. Having confidence in oneself and trusting that things will work out positively. Ang imong thinking is always in a positive manner. Dili kay mag-negative thoughts ta, always positive if you have high emotional intelligence. Next is needs and wants. Knowing the difference between the prioritizing needs over wants. Masud din ka ng mga bulky buyers bitaw. Kung saan na makita niyo, ito siya. Ito nila mo. Dili bitaw mag-think critically needed budget na siya. Kay ang sagaran, more on wants, gustuhan ka. Papalit sa unsa. Next is passion. Natural drive and love for something that brings positive energy, inspiring a person to keep moving forward.
Yes.
Being passionate, di ba ang teachers, if you will become a teacher, you need to be passionate with your occupation or sa kabana, profession. Kaya nga naman, why?
Para you will be
You will do your job well.
Yes, job well.
Okay, ang goal done. Passionate mo good ka. Kung ano na yung mga lesson niya, maka-integrate ko ito karoon mga you love what to work with the heart.
Wholeheartedly.
Yes.
Yes. Next is optimism. Keeping a positive mindset that improves relationship, decision making, and opportunities. Adaptability. Ability to adjust decision and action depending on changing situation or challenges. More adaptability, more na siya flexibility. Flexible.
Yes, because flexibility is adapting.
Second is desire to help others succeed. Appreciating and supporting the achievements and goals of others. Dili kay mang drop down, no? Dili kita mang drop down sa atong kapwa. Drop up to dani. Drop up. Instead of criticizing the kanang in a negative manner, atong i-boost ang nilang confidence. Ha? Next is people skills. Ano na naman po yung people skills? Na ay social skills, na ay people skills. People skills is the patterns or behavior and interaction that allows effective communication, relationship building, and social ease. If you say people skills, sa luwa pa niya siya, murag ka ng skin. Kung sa'y makita ni muna niya, mo dyan na imong ma-describe. Da. O makita siya ng epic skin, wow, pro player. Ayun. Isang good. That's what people skills. Pero dito people skills ha, kay isang buwan na to. Sorry, kanang buwan na ba? Buwan na to na yan sa games. Next is according to expert ko no, si Thompson 2009, how a person behaves is perceived by others. And according to Honey, the link between the personal dimension, cognitive, emotional, and physical, spiritual, and other personalities. These are the key abilities of people skills. Personal effectiveness, how one presents themselves to others. Motong gingon na how they characterize their self in front of people. Interaction ability, predicting, understanding, and decoding behavior. If we say interaction ability, if we have this conversation na ito nga involves makahibaw ka o unsay iyang ma-istulti kay chika na makaitaan niya kay people skills beta. Next is interceding ability, leading influence and connecting people. Dili kay bungkaging people. You need to connect people through Bluetooth or other device. Different pamagi ha, pwede Bluetooth siya. Quick share para pas-pas. These are the core aspects. Communicate and empathize effectively, respectfully interact to reduce conflict, ability to build sincerity and trust, dito mawag ang trust. Educational impact of people skills. Strong people skills help individuals present themselves, manage anxiety, share ideas effectively, and influence others positively in work, life, and social settings. Next is the Literacy. Strategies in obtaining good people skills. Natukon na edit. Strategies na sila kanang good communication skills, conflict resolution skills, the value of patience, tolerance, and understanding. Those are the strategies in obtaining good people skills. So let's break it down. First, the good communication skills. Listen, actively clarify, and exchange ideas clearly in both spoken and written form. Good communication skills is always involved from the social skills, emotional intelligence, and yung pala siya sa people skills. Conflict resolution as well. The value of patience. Stay calm, repeat explanation if needed, and control emotion during difficult situations. Next is tolerance and understanding, accepting difference in others, and even you disagree to foster respect and cooperation. So here are the 5 A's to improve. Check na, basta ng poll na po na. A's to improve people skills. A5s na. Dili A4, A5 na. First is acceptance. The word acceptance, accept, embracing others. Next is appreciation, not only recognizing valuing others. Approval, showing respect to others. Admiration, or expressing respect to others. Attention, giving genuine focus. So here are the essential people skills to succeed. First is being socially assertive. Just like what I said in the assertive, kanang dili in a respectful manner sa job. Speak up confidently and respectfully. Next is crafting a movable presence. Dili kay tukmod ha. Build rapport and connect easily with others. Next is mastering communication. Share ideas clearly and effectively. If you master in how to communicate, you can manipulate other people. Yes. Oh, o kamao ka mo kana mo story-storya bitaw ka manipulate with other people.
Makapadad dun og
Sige,
istorya.
how mo self-stop bitaw. Nindot siya nga skills. Magamit nimo. Pero depende how. Pero mo possess ka people skills. Dapat master po sa communication kay sakto man sila i-master din mo communication before ka having these people skills. Hindi mo ka pwede may people skills. Pero inatagpay ha, dili mo ba? Sustaining lasting confidence, stay composed even in difficult situation. Confidence daw, mo na yung pamilya confidence, low confidence, dapat itong being an excellent conversationalist. Keep discussion engaging and meaningful. These are the three bonding relationship happens in different stages. First 5 minutes, mo na bitaw magkita mo sa imong kuan. The one na 5 minutes. Creates a first impression. 5 minutes pa na, makita mo. Next is 5 hours. Build rapport beyond first impression na interaction na. Pero dili ka na above the border. Next is first 5 days. Establish, ma-audit ko, nahulyan sila pag 5 days. Eh, naaman rin din. First, establish the trust and deeper connection. Next is these are the essential people skills to succeed. Being highly likable, being exceptional at decoding emotions, and pitching ideas. Present suggestion in a convincing way. Amo ni katumurag manipulate in a good manner lang. Being charismatic, inspire others to talk through warmth and confidence. And being an influential leader. Because sometimes, yes, being an influential leader. Guide others towards teamwork and success. Step by step, we need to be influential leader. Not ganang panikat ng leader. Corrupt leader. So let me end it with a quote. Social literacy is not just about speaking well, but about listening with heart, respecting differences, and building bridges and connect people. And that concludes. That ends my discussion. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand very well.